This is a song which is in the key of C minor or E flat major, you could say. Those two chords are relative to each other. So the chords in this song comes from the E flat major scale. So let's go through the chord progression here. It's a really simple chord progression, by the way. The chords come from the E flat major scale. If you harmonize the E flat major scale, you'll get these chords. E flat major 7 to F minor 7 to G minor 7, A flat major 7, G7, C minor 7, D minor 7 flat 5, back to E flat major 7. That's kind of the chords that I use in this progression. Every chord is diatonic to the key. Alright, I start on the C minor 7 chord and I play. So C minor 7 with the 9 here on the top to B flat 9. I play with my fingers, by the way. I have my pick here between my fingers. I do that lick. What's that? That's notes from the B flat major pentatonic. Alright? After the B flat, we're gonna go to the A flat. I do that little lick. I play an A flat sus2. I have my thumb up here, by the way. And then I add my ring finger here on the G string on the 5th fret. So I get a regular A flat triad. So A flat sus2 to A flat. A flat sus2 to A flat major. What's that? It's G minor 7 going down chromatically to F minor 7. And then I play. Okay, what's this? I'm just going up the scale. I'm playing this over an F minor 7. So over F minor 7 we can play F Dorian scale. So I'm going up the F Dorian scale. A flat triad to B flat triad to F minor 7 to G minor 7 to F minor 9 to B flat 11. Let's talk about this B flat 11 chord. How do you play an 11 chord? Well, okay, we're gonna play a B flat 11, so let's find the root. That's simple. Here's B flat and here's B flat. But how do you play the rest of the notes? Well, play the triad one whole step below. So here's B flat, going down a whole step, that's A flat. So play the triad, A flat triad. Here's an A flat triad, but with the B flat in the bass. So what's that? Well, that's a B flat 11. Let's pick another chord. Let's say you want to play E11. So here's E, the root, but then you play the triad one whole step below, so that would be D. So play a D chord, but change the root from D to E. So instead of, you play, that's E11. Okay, we were on B flat 11. After B flat 11, I play B13. So, from the G minor, what's this? E flat major 9. So the chord progression is F minor 7 to some kind of B flat 7 chord, B flat 13, B flat 11 or whatever, to E flat major 7. That's a 2-5-1 2 chord, 5 chord, 1 chord. So that's a 2, 5, 1 progression there. And then I play D minor 7 to G7 sharp 5 to C minor 7. That's a 2, 5, 1 in the key of C minor. The 2 chord of C minor is D minor 7 flat 5. And the 5 chord is G7. I add this sharp 5 to add some extra tension. I like that. To C minor 7. We just talked about the chords, the diatonic chords of E flat major scale. We had E flat major, F minor 7, G minor 7. Okay, G minor 7. We had G minor 7. Why did I play G7 sharp 5 when the diatonic key is G minor? Well, when you're playing a 2, 5, 1 progression like this, you want the 5 chord to be a dominant chord. So instead of G minor, you will play a G7. That sounds really nice. You have some extra tension there on the 5 chord. I'm gonna do a 2, 5, 1 here, but with a G minor 7 chord, and you can hear the difference. It doesn't sound so nice, okay? Sounds weird. I want... That's much nicer. Okay, moving on. When I'm on the C minor 7, I play this bass line. I mute the G string. Why do I play this bass line? Because we're gonna go to B flat. But I play the B flat here. Okay, what's that? That's in B flat sus2 to B flat. After the B flat, I'm gonna go to A flat major 7. A cool thing that you can do to outline that A flat major 7 chord is to play a C minor pentatonic scale actually. So the root is A flat. So I'm playing A flat here in the bottom, and then the C minor pentatonic. When you do that, you get the sound of an A flat major 7 chord. That's because when you play this C minor pentatonic, when you play this note, the G note, the G is the major 7 of A flat. So that's why. Alright. After this little lick that I play, which is based on the C minor pentatonic scale, but I start on an A flat. After that lick, I play G minor 7, sliding down, and then I play F minor 7, and I do this lick. Okay, what's that? That's F minor pentatonic. Okay, after that I do this lick. That's over the B flat 7 chord. So this is just B flat 7. That's notes from the B flat 7 to a C minor triad to B flat triad, and I do that little drill there to a C7 sus4. Really like that chord. It's an open sounding chord. To G7 sharp 5 to C minor 9. Okay, so that's it.